Costs 1 lira to go use the bathroom. And you know, we've been on the road for 2.5 hours, so it's only right that we actually get a stop. Let's go take a look at the market and what a Turkish pit stop looks like. How you doing? Locals are very friendly. There's not a safety problem here. They're very friendly wherever we've gone. Very helpful. Here's a cafe. I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee. How are you? All right, so we're in the cafe. We're in Turkey. I'm with my friend Turkish coffee, let me show you. We get that? Let's try it what it's like, truck stop style. That's delicious. No sugar. Take it strong. Ed, how's it going for you today?
Oh, well, the weather's cold, but it's very, very nice on the bus. And very scenic, actually. Yeah, it's just a wonderful ride. We're on our way to the next archaeological site.
I give it a thumbs up. We'll see you later on. Woo! Bus stop 2. At a gas station. Oh. Told you, friendly people in Turkey. We're on a ferry.
Hey,
we're on a ferry.
We're on a ferry.
We're going to be crossing the Dardanelles Strait. We're here
Heading to Dardanelles.
Heading to Dardanelles. And once we get to the other side, we'll go to Troas, and then down to Assos. So it'll be pretty interesting. We're going to try to talk to some people on the boat, see what happens. But
see what they have to say.
Yeah.
Oh, that sun is good.
Yeah. So.
Oh gosh. This trip has been amazing. It's just putting things together for me. That's
right on.
Yeah.
Now,
really cool.
You're in School of Theology, correct? Yes. So how can you see this helping you, you know, in your future?
Last semester we were going over all of the ecumenical councils of the early church, and so we were stepping in those churches yesterday, and so that was really cool. But going forward, it's just, for me, it reminds me that we as Christians have so much history, and we don't do this by ourselves, but there's just generations of church fathers and mothers that have gone before us, and reminds me that I'm not alone.
Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
For centuries we have not been alone.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Yeah.
See? You got to come on a study tour. So how does this compare to some of your other trips?
This is way better.
Right on.
See where Paul walked and he preached the gospel and shared his faith with others. Well, we'll get to that point.
My only other trip was Israel, so it's hard to top Israel.
Yeah.
But this has been really cool so far.
Beautiful.
Yes.
But these study tours are all about relationship, just having fun like we're doing. We're having good food, making friends, right? And we're just helping each other out.
Sharing the love of Christ.
All right, we're at our next site. I'm gonna give you a hint. I want you to guess. Where are we? Where are we? What's that behind me? What does that look like? I think that could be a Trojan horse, which means we are most likely at the city of Troy. We're gonna go in the Trojan horse. So how's that? Inside the Trojan horse. Let's go take a look at the city. So here we are. This is what's left of the city of Troy. Result of the Achaeans and the Trojan horse working so well. This is the 6th layer in the tell. So here we have the remnants of the Temple of Athena here at Troy. Marble columns. The real story would be layers below this. There are 10 layers built one on top of the other. So as they get funding, as the interest grows, they'll do more excavations. But so far, it does give you a peek into the past. Here we have a little courtyard, but I want you to look at to the right of that. There's this wall, and if you look closely, if you zoom in on your video, you'll see that the stones are cut with a edge around it. Now, what would that significant be? Well, back in Israel, when we looked at the palace walls, the Herodian stones, when you look at the palace walls, are cut with the same border. So this is one of those things that we can look and say this is time period correct, and that the technologies of sharing from different areas. As cities were being conquered, so too was the spread of their technologies. So there you go, Herodian stones from King Herod's palace in Jerusalem to here we are in Troy. Same technology, same cut. That is cool. There we go. That was Troy. Did that make you a USC fan? It does make me a fan of history. And if you know me, if you grew up with me, I hated history. But seeing it like this, absolutely amazing. So, small site they say, but a big tell. We're gonna go on to the city of Troas now. It's gonna be absolutely fun. Alright, so here we are. It's cold. We're at the beach. We're at the antique harbor of Troas. Very interesting. Active fishing village still. There are olive groves all around the ruins that hope to show you. Hope we're going to get there. But for now, we're on the beach at the ancient harbor. We'll catch up to the tour, see what's going on. So a couple of things. We're at the ancient harbor here in Troas. We've got walls, remnants of columns, and right across there is Greece. So you think you can imagine now, in ancient times, the trek that they would have made on their ancient boats, coming between Asia Minor and Greece. Through the harbor. This is an amazing perspective. It's one of those things that you can read about and study, or look on a map, or look at satellite images. But until you're here, for the time that we study in the Bible or any of the ancient times, without the modern technology of motors and poles. It's an amazing thing, the travel that they did in ancient days. Just look at this. Absolutely amazing. Let's keep going. All right, here we are again. We're at ancient Troas, ancient harbor of Troas. And with me, I have Omer, our Bible scholar who's on our tour. And Omer, where in the Bible is this area mentioned?
First of all, let's start with the fact that this is an A site. An A site, we know that this is it. This is the ancient harbor. We know it's because of artifacts we found on the shore. You can find this in Acts 20, and it's a story of Paul coming from here because it was so windy. He wanted to go to the other side of Troas, but he couldn't do it because of Assos, because it was so windy. So what happened was that he decided to walk from Troas to Assos. We can see how windy it is today. So it's amazing how what we read about in scriptures in Acts 20 is exactly what we see in 2020 AD.
Right on. And you know, to be able to see, I don't know if you can see right back here behind us, that's Greece. So when we read in the Bible that Paul was coming across, this is what he had to do, and this is not a sheltered harbor. The wind is blowing, and it's incredible to see what would have happened in the land that they would have traversed. So again, it's awesome to have these type of study tours. You have experts like Omer, Bible scholar, archaeologist, with a background like his. Just to have it makes the Bible come to life, and that's what we're really here for, right?
So that's a full Bible study tour, and that is what makes a difference. If you look around, apart from us and history, there's no one here, and that's exactly where we can really be connected to the scriptures.
Right on. And I believe you said this is the first true Bible tour in Turkey.
In that caliber, yes. In this caliber, yes.
All right, there you go. And this is why we're here. Enjoy the sights. This is Troas. Light. It's dark. It's nighttime, and I'm hungry. You know what that means? It's dinner time. And we're here in Assos, headed to our hotel. And the road is so narrow in this town, the bus had to drop us off, and we're walking maybe 10 blocks, probably half a mile, into this little town to our place. This is cool. It's a great walk. We've got a Greek Isle right across the bay. It's on the water above a cliff, and this is very, very cool. So enjoy the scenery. We'll see you in a little bit.